Our Fermented Lives by Julia Skinner. Books about fermentation, and if you like to know more about different books on the topic of fermentation with different ways to talk about fermentation, just follow me, because there's this whole series I do about my personal fermentation library, and I tell you which books I have and why I have them and what I like about them. Today I'm talking about Our Fermented Lives, and this book it has recipes like many other books. It has the same recipes as some other books, and it has different recipes. But what is different about this book is that it talks more about fermentation as a metaphor. It talks about fermentation and oneself. It talks about cultures and communities. And Julia Skinner is really thorough, and she goes about this book quite scientifically, and I enjoy that a lot. This is another book I like to read not only for the hands-on recipes and backgrounds, scientific backgrounds for fermentation, but I also read it a bit as a novel, because she weaves tales around fermentation and she makes analogies about fermentation. Right here we have a chapter that says the physiology of tastes, and there she tells us what we have to know about taste, or health tonics and modern uses, ferments and play. How wonderful is it to talk about fermentation and to talk about playing with your food, but not playing with it, to play with it, and then eat it, to have like a complete experience around fermentation. Well, this is what this book is to me, and that's why it is in my fermentation library, and that's why I enjoy it a lot. If you like fermentation and if you want to know more, you should really read a book. Go and read a book. What book to read? Well, I couldn't tell you what the first book for your journey should be, but I can tell you what books I own and why I like them. And maybe that helps you to decide which books you can read. If you like this video, you could show your appreciation by just liking the video, actually, because that helps the algorithm and that helps me in my journey to make more videos for you.